It's tutorial time. We are going to be working on block 5, or basically any of the blocks that you pick up between 2 different blocks. You're going to make a slip knot with your high temperature color, and then you're going to find the corner of block 2. So here's block 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the corner where 2 and 4 meet. This is where we're going to start block 5. And you are going to stick your hook through the 2 stitches in block 5, put your slip knot in it, tighten it up, pull it through, and now you see we have 3 ends here. 2 are from block 2, and 1 is from the new color that we just added. So we are going to basically sew those in while we're going. So I'm gonna pick up the next stitch here, the blue. I'm actually going to take all 3 of those ends and do a single loop, and then I'm going to take my high temperature and pull through 1. So I've got 2 loops now on my hook, and I have attached the 3 ends. And now I'm going to pick up from the purple and do the same thing. I'm going to pull through the 3 ends and then yarn over the main color and do that and pull tight. So again, now we've got 3. And I'm going to do that for probably 5 or 6 stitches just to make sure they're kind of attached quite tightly. And then I will drop the ends and continue knitting or picking up loops along the rest of that edge. So there we go. I've picked it up along, we've got 7 here. And I'm going to finish the rest without tying in the ends. We want to have 16. So we've got our 16 here. You can see those ends are caught. And you might say, Rachel, but like for the first 6, you did 2 and then you only did 1. Yeah, but you can't really tell. It's going to be so big, you're not going to be really able to tell. If I pull it taut, maybe you can see a little bit of a gap. I don't think it matters too much. From there, you're going to go to the corner of the first block. You're going to pick up a loop with your high temperature color. And then you can see here, I actually have 2, or I have 1 more end from block 3. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing to make the end sew in so that I don't have to do all the fiddly little sewing in my ends at the end of the blanket. And there you go. We have 33 stitches for block 5, and then you're going to go back and complete the Tunisian crochet. And then with 2 loops left, you're going to bring in your low temperature color, yarn over, and you are ready to start the next row of block 5.